Tonight I'm going to give you 3 things to think about if you want to look after your hedge trimmer over the winter, getting it ready for the season ahead. Number 1, have a look at the blades. So these blades have already been sharpened, but have a look at the blades just to make sure they're very sharp and good to start and good to go for the season. Another thing is to lubricate them as well, so you can buy grease from Fraser Robb's, spray grease that can just go over the blades, and it means that they'll be all lubricated and ready to go. Number 2, you could look at getting a service kit for your hedge trimmer. That would be a filter, a spark plug, and a fuel filter, an air filter, and a spark plug. You could do the engine service yourself, and that would mean you'd be getting it all ready. We'd also suggest, if you were doing an engine service, look at the fuel tank, empty out the old fuel and put in nice fresh fuel. So you can buy ready mix, motor mix, or you can buy your own 2-stroke oil and put it into your mixture in your fuel. Also, part of your winter maintenance could be to put in the ready mix still motor mix, and also you can pick up from here at Fraser Robb's these service kits. And within the service kit has everything you need, so spark plug, air filter and fuel filter. They're already pre-packed, ready to go service kits at Fraser Robb's. Or number 3, you could bring your machine to us here at Fraser Robb's. So we would do the full engine service using the service kit. We use motor mix in all our 2-stroke machines. We clean out the fuel tank and make sure that we put fresh fuel, the motor mix fuel in it, so the full engine is serviced. We'll also look at the gearbox. If there's any issues with that, we'll open that up, but we'll fill it up with grease. We will sharpen every single blade on the hedge trimmer and grease it all for you as well. And we'll check the full operation of the machine so that your hedge trimmer is good to go anytime next year for cutting your hedges.